So yes, I do have a credit repair business, but I also have a credit coaching business. And there are differences because credit repair is just sending out letters to the credit bureaus on your behalf, sending out letters to the creditors on your behalf, which a lot of companies do not even do. But credit coaching is coaching you on what you need to do to build out your credit profile so you are fundable, so you can get approved, so you can get approved for a house, so you can get approved for the car, so you can get approved for business funding, so you can get approved for whatever you want in this world. When you have credit, the possibilities are endless, but you have to understand and you have to be educated, because education is the new currency, and without it, you're going to be paying 10x.